What's going on YouTube? It's Ray Stocks. I'm gonna go over how I made over $200 a day trading GLD, and I'm gonna put the link in the description below if you want to join my community. Without further ado, let's go straight into it. So looking at this chart right here, you see sticker symbol GLD, right? So we have support right here at the bottom, then we have resistance. As you can see, it touched resistance 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now this strategy you can use also for the support as well. So remember, support is the bottom flooring of your house. This is how you would start to build a house. You build a house from the bottom to top. Your resistance would be the top, which is the top of your house, the highest point of your house, which is the roof, all the way down to the bottom, which is the foundation, right? As you can see, it touched 1, 2, 3. I put 3 arrows there. So I know, okay, it didn't go the first time, it didn't go the second time. I knew if it did this the third time it went, that this will go. And I signaled it out in my chat right here yesterday at 6:53 p.m. I said, look at GLD for calls tomorrow morning, looking strong on previous candle with 3 touches of resistance and bullish MACD and RSI. So if you're looking like, oh, what's bullish MACD and RSI? As you can see right here, the RSI is right here. And we have the MACD right here as well. So what do we see if we zoom in? All right, I'm gonna get us a trend line too going, so that way y'all can see very in depth what I'm talking about. We're gonna get us a trend line, all right? What do you see? It's making a higher high on the RSI, and it's making a higher high on the MACD. So my first confirmation was 3 touches at resistance. It passed through that 317 mark. And then I seen the RSI with strength. So anytime this is over 50, as you can see right here, this dotted line, I have heard this is 50. So anything over 50 is bullish, and anything under 50 is bearish. And also you can see right here, the green went over the purple, crossing over, which showed sign of bullish divergence as well. So that's why I decided to get in, and I put it in my chat, right? So I charted it out, let them know the day before, and I said I want a small pullback because getting in now, we are getting in the highest point, but once it pulls back. So in the morning, it ended up pulling back. And then I signaled out 2 contracts of GLD, 334 calls for 926. And I told them I was up 5%, 13%, 16%, 20%, 25, 30%. So this is it right here. As you can see, 2 contracts of GLD, September 26, 2025, 334 call. Yup, 30%, $212. And I signaled it out on my chat. Then check the game section out. Could have doubled up if I wasn't in the gym. 2K added to the Friday count. So he made 2.2K in a day. Right here, put in GLD, 28%, $202. So yeah, that's why I got in. So anytime you see stocks like this, you want to see the, if you're even in puts, you want to see, okay, like right here, this will be a good time to get in puts. Why? Because as you can see, the first time here, what happened? The stock went down when it touched that first line of resistance. And what happened? Let me give a trend line. The RSI went lower, right? And let's see if the MACD went lower. So you always want to check the RSI and MACD, whether you're getting calls or puts based off the RSI and MACD. And look, you can see right there. What happened? The green went under the purple, which made it a lower low, which caused the stock to do what? Go down. And the stock went down about, how much did it go down? Let me see. Down right here. So the stock went down almost 8% last time it touched its first resistance down to support. And it did it again the second time. So third time I knew, okay, if it breaks this level, it has to go. So most people would have probably chased it and got in this candle, but you always want to wait for confirmation. Rushing the trade is not in your favor. Like if you got in this time, people are like, oh, it's the third time it has to go. It could have rejected back down. But what I did was I waited for my confirmation. I waited for it to break over this 317 And you can see right here, this is a strong candle. Look how this candle look once it breaks 317. That's a solid wick green. So I was like, okay, bulls are in control. Now, the next target price will be over 335, all the way up to 340. So yeah, GLD, this is why I got in. I signaled in my chat if you want to join my Discord. The link is in the description below. We have a beginner training guide with educational videos. We have charting candles. We have stock terminology from A through Z. We have stock advice, stocks platform to use. I'm doing a 1 in 10K challenge right now. So if you want to join right now and you're like, okay, I want to flip 1,010, you can join this challenge right here. Also, I do leaps. And if you have any questions right here, you can talk in the stock chat room. We answer any and all questions. So yeah, if you're interested in joining, link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.